Everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the issue where the new button is missing on the opportunity tab. In this video tutorial, we will discuss how we can resolve this issue where the new button is missing from the opportunity tab in Salesforce. Now, before we jump to the main topic, I would like to tell you that we bring such a tutorial on the regular basis. So, if you really want to become a Salesforce expert, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and also you can press the bell icon to get the regular updates from it. Now, let's move ahead and discuss how we can basically resolve this issue where the new button is missing from the opportunity tab in Salesforce. Let us first look at the issue. What is the main issue that we are facing? So here I have logged into my Salesforce org. Firstly, move to the Salesforce account. So here we logged into our Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. If you are not in the Lightning one, then you switch to the Lightning first and then move ahead. Now we discuss the issue. Where is the main issue? Now discuss how we can basically resolve this issue where the new button is missing from the opportunity tab in Salesforce. Let us first look at the issue. What is the main issue that we are facing? So here I click on the app launcher and click on the view all and then scroll down, search for the opportunity. Where is the opportunity? Here is the opportunities. Click on the opportunities and it will redirect us to the opportunity record page. So now usually what happens whenever we open the list view for any of the object, the new button is appear on the right above the list here. So for example, I open the contact object and here you can see the new button is shown here, but I open the account object, you can also see the new button is also shown here. You can see the new button is shown here, and when I again go back to the opportunity and here you can see new button is not shown. So for resolving this issue and add the new button to this opportunity tab, firstly click on the gear icon and click on the setup option. It will redirect us to the setup home page and click on the object manager tab. Our object manager page is open. Under this object manager page, lots of objects are present and here we want to select the opportunity object. So here I enter the opportunity in the quick find box and select the opportunity object. And it will redirect us to the opportunity detail page and here I scroll down and select the list view button layout that is present under the details, and our list view button layout page is open. Here you can see only one list view is present. Click on the drop down arrow of this list view and click on the edit button. Our opportunity list view page is open and here you can see the standard buttons are present. All buttons are enabled, but there is a new button that is disabled. So here this is the issue because the new button is disabled here. When we enable this button and click on the save button and then again go back, click on the app launcher and search for the opportunities, click on the opportunities and our list view page is open and here we go, we can see our new button is come at the top on the right side near the assign label. So with this we have learned how to resolve the issue of the new button is missing on the opportunity tab, or we can say that we can add the new button on the opportunity tab. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.